It is estimated that Mumbai and other major cities in India have about 300,000 street children abandoned, homeless, and needy, and without hope of a bright future, which is their right. The founders of Children of God Foundation started work among street children in Mumbai about a decade and a half ago, and later formalized the street children rehabilitation work in 2006 by creating a registered charitable trust christened the Children of God Foundation. Registered under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act.
My name is Tabassum Mirza. I set one goal to become a teacher. I have completed my 12th standard and now I am studying BA in Ratnam College. Now I am teaching children in Kalwa Daycare Center.
The Children of God Foundation endeavors to provide quality education to street children and slum-based communities with the aim of eradicating poverty through a razor-sharp focus on facilitating skills development. The foundation is transparent about its activities and publishes its annual reports on its website www.childrenofgodfoundation.com. Through years of working at the grassroots level, we realized it is important to influence a mindset change among the underprivileged, slum-based, and poverty-stricken communities rather than focusing on just skills development and counseling. Our approach number 1, Step-In Centers. We have 3 Step-In Centers in Kurla, Kalwa and Atgaon, aimed at serving a large number of street children through institutionalized programs. These programs work to alleviate the worst aspects of street life for children by serving them on the street itself. Some of the program highlights are Parent-Teachers Association programs for and with the parents of the children in the slum communities. We have innovative teaching methods, and many times we take teaching outside classrooms. Here, we are delighted to announce that our outreach has positively benefited 159 children. The Step-In Centers provide informal education to children above 12 years, besides focusing on community development through advocacy, basic medical assistance, life skills training, and counseling. Our approach number 2. This comprises outreach programs under which we aim to first identify children in distress and then ensure their rehabilitation according to their needs. Every week, our teams visit railway stations to meet street children and interact with them informally and in a friendly manner with a view to build trust and try to resolve some of their immediate needs. We organize medical camps to meet their immediate medical needs. We have also created value-based studies for street children which are offered through our 3 centers in Kurla, Kalwa and Atgaon. We also conduct fun-based, interesting and interactive programs like Diwali Mela and Christmas parties at our 3 centers. Our approach number 3, Step Up Residential Informal School. The Step Up Residential Informal School for street children focuses on 3 major aspects. Number 1, Inner Healing. Our inner healing programs enable the street children to recover from substance addictions which they may have been subjected to due to a challenging street life. Number 2, Education. We have created an indigenous 3-step educating module-based syllabus for street children above the age of 12 without an education background. After completion of this module, the children appear and complete their 10th grade examination without major hurdles. For street children below the age of 12, we admit them into public schools as befits their age and grasping power. Our innovative 3-step module has met with success as it is very child-friendly and makes education interesting.
My name is Gauri. मुझे बड़े होकर डॉक्टर बनना है. डॉक्टर बन के मम्मी का इलाज करना है.
मेरा नाम प्रतिज्ञा है। मैं बड़े होके CID बनूंगी।
मेरा नाम तुलसी है। मुझे बड़े होके टीचर बनना है।
मेरा नाम साक्षी है। मैं बड़े होके ब्यूटिशियन बनना चाहती हूँ।
माई नेम इज़ कुलसुम। आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ राइटर।
मेरा नाम राखी है। मैं बड़े होके डांस टीचर बनना चाहती हूँ।
Number 3. Rehabilitation. Under this program, street children are enabled to go through a process of reintegration into society to become responsible citizens of our proud country. So far, a total of 42 street and slum children have been rehabilitated under our Step Up Residential Informal School.
Hello, I am Jayashri Tiwari, working in COGF at Adgaon project. In Adgaon, we are working among tribal community in 4 areas of education, livelihood, health, advocacy and empowerment. In education, we are helping these children to get them regular schooling, and we are teaching in brick nails. In health, we are helping the women get trained in nutrition training. In livelihood, we have most our staffs from Katkari community, and in advocacy and empowerment, we are helping them to get Aadhaar card, PAN card, ration card.
मेरा नाम संदीप दीनानाथ तिवारी है। COGF जो फाउंडेशन है उसने मुझे पढ़ाया लिखा है और ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कराया, बैचलर इन सोशल वर्क। COGF फाउंडेशन जो आडगांव में है, मैं उसमें अभी कोऑर्डिनेटर के पद पे काम कर रहा हूँ।
Our three-pronged approach-based methodology has helped us transform the lives of more than 350 street children for the better over the years by raising them up from the street and integrating them into society. Overall, under our various programs, we have achieved great success educating street children and underprivileged children under our care. Our successes which spread happiness include 78 children completing 10th grade, 35 children completing 12th grade, 12 children completing graduation, 21 children completing ITI technical education courses. 1 child has completed her post-graduation. Some of our children have become talented musicians and are successfully pursuing careers in music. Many of these children are now adults and have become successful in their own fields. Some have married, while some live independently, but all lead normal and happy lives, having been integrated into society through our outreach and programs. Our education-driven approach towards street children is evidenced by the fact that we earmark almost 95% of the budget for this noble purpose. We thank God for our loving donors, patrons and supporters who graciously and unconditionally support us financially. We have a highly dedicated and committed staff of teachers and support staff like cooks and drivers, besides expert trainers who train our staff on a month-on-month basis on subjects of life skills development and counseling, which highly benefit the street children under our care. Our well-trained team works with the utmost dedication and love and compassion, which is one of the reasons why we have been able to strike a chord among street children and underprivileged communities. Our founder, trustee and CEO, Mrs. Sudha Benjamin's commitment, dedication and leadership has been and is a major driving force for us on our journey to spread happiness by giving a helping hand to street children and underprivileged communities. Our future vision is assisted by the divine mandate of our founder managing trustee, Mr. Job Cornelius, who aims to reach the state of no street children in our society as quickly as possible. Come and visit us, pray for us and support us, and be a part of this movement to drive a positive change in the lives of street children. Be the change.